Okay, I wanted to share this with you with the drip lock irrigation component system, hydro rain drip lock. Just to show you a configuration of how we do it here. We have a main line that's coming out with our supply distribution tubing. This is a 1/2 inch distribution tubing, and we have what they call spaghetti tubing. The 1/8 inch tubing is going to the different plant materials. This is the north facing side planter bed, so it doesn't dry out as fast as other areas. It's full sun, so we don't want a whole lot of water on this particular area, so we want to be able to control it. This is all on one valve. It's also tied into this section over here, which is pretty much all full sun. We have an inline drip, a 0.6 gallon per hour drip line system over in that grid here in the main yard and also in the parkway. But over here, we didn't want to put that system here because the water is not going to evaporate, and it's going to stay a lot moisture over in this area because of this north facing wall. It creates a certain amount of shade, so it's not going to dry out as fast as the main yard in the parkway. So what I decided to do is run drip emitters to the different components here, to the different heads, and we'll be able to, or the different plant materials, so we'll be able to adequately water and adjust the emitters accordingly. So you have an emitter here, so we can either increase or decrease the amount of water by turning this adjustable emitter. It's a 360 degree emitter, and so that's how we'll be able to take care of that. And the beauty of the system is we have these drip lock fittings to where we have a plug that's in there, and with this plug we can take that plug out, and there's a latch on it. It says locking and unlocking, and so right now the latch is locked, so this tubing will not come out. If we wanted to put tubing in, say like this port right here, we'd twist it around, and there's a little key or lock figurine, and it's unlocked, and so that we can pull the tubing out, put it in, then we'll twist it and then lock it down, and that way we'll be able to put the line in without punching holes into the tubing, which is the old style conventional way of doing drip tubing, is to punch a hole into the tubing, the distribution tubing, and then put in a coupler, a 1/4 inch coupler or 1/8 inch coupler for the spaghetti tubing, and then hooking that spaghetti tubing into the coupling and running it to the plant material in the same way that we have here, but only thing about it, we'll be punching a hole into the tubing. This way we reduce leaks. This actual fitting has 360 degree capabilities, so I can flip that over this side or flip it this side, so that makes it so we can be able to run different sides and also isolate out what we want to do. Here's a single 2-port T, and this is additional where you can plug it in. Actually, this is the T right here. This is the 2-port T. Then we have an extension. So these are 2 extensions that basically have pushed into each other with the blue lock or the PVC lock. I'll get it right one day. Drip lock component system. That way we can be able to do as many ports that we need according to the job. But that's just showing you the beauty of the system, and also this is our end point or our flush right here on the end. So this is also a drip lock fitting that we can take the screw off of that or unscrew it to flush out the line. So that's what we have here on this side. We got our gravel and stuff in, but I just wanted to show you that that system here, utilizing the drip lock irrigation system. Hydro Rain, built for speed, built for quality.